I got Stolen Roulette, front, glazed front, got Miles. I got 2 pegs, Haro, and the Sputnik forks. I've been riding the same parts for like the past 3 years, but I have FAF tan. I got Sputnik regulator frame, 20.75. Goon Squad rep, Papa Wheelie Fresh. Cranks. Oh wait, yeah. Oh, cranks. Yeah. Self-painted, premium, Sean McCanney, whatever. I don't like him. Eastern. Don't buy it. Someone's calling me. I got rusted out chain. Animal Hamiltons. They're good. Get them. I got Shadow peg and GT peg. I got a Javelin hub laced to a Odyssey quadrant. FAF. And seat post animal, seat post clamp Haro, like a ball. Stolen headset. Yeah. Stem, Shadow, Boss, Sky High.
Sky High.
Good for doing bar spins. Yeah. And that's all you need to know. Let me do a trick. One shoe?
Yes.
Right here.
One shoe.
One shoe. I don't even ride.
Right here, right here.
Yeah.